you are going to need a Coke can, and you will have to cut it in this particular shape. You will also need some tack. This will help in sealing the boat's boiler. Get some tack and place it on the boat. You will then have your boiler like this. It is completely airtight. Now you have to cut a hole in your bottle and insert the straw. Seal the straw so that it won't leak. Put some water in the straw and make sure it's completely filled. Now place a candle below the boiler. It should start to heat up, and once it heats up, it will start moving the boat. The boat should start moving when steam starts to build in the boiler. The steam inside the boiler should push the water outside and propel the boat forward. This process will become an endless cycle because the air inside the boiler will cross pressure to suck up water, restarting the cycle. The boat makes energy from heat to propel forward. By absorbing heat, there will become more internal energy, and the heat of vaporization will make water turn into steam. Since it takes more heat to transform liquid into gas than solid to liquid, we can say gas has more energy then. I had to use 2 candles to burn the boiler because it would take a long time to burn the liquid. Here's the boiler.